Tasmanian onion grower George Griffin is unfortunately all too familiar with onion white rot.
So the first major one was a major outbreak, which we didn't realise that we had it in that particular paddock, nor did we realise that it was such a big problem.
Mr Griffin's first-hand experience with the disease has forced him to become a keen student in learning how to manage it. This coming season he plans to plant next to a site that's been previously affected, and he's confident he's got the management mix right.
Well, what we're trying to target is that top 50 mil of the root zone, trying to control that white root rot in there by chemical control. So we'll irrigate that or wait for a rain event to wash that in.
It's a method that Dr Suzie Jones at the Tasmanian Institute of Agriculture commends, but suggests can go even further. As the manager of the Hort Innovation Onion Fund levy supported project, development of an onion white rot forecast model for Tasmania, Dr Jones has been involved with data collection from commercial onion fields and outdoor planter bag trials over the past 2 years.
Because onions are grown over a relatively long period, from May until February, we collected data from 3 planting windows that will represent the whole season. So May as an early crop, July as an intermediate, and September as a late crop.
Data were collected for the key factors that influence onion white rot development and subsequent bulb infection, namely time of planting, soil temperature, soil moisture, root biomass and timing of infection.
The key findings were that root biomass was highest in the top 100 millimetres of the soil. We also found that disease incidence was highest for the early planted crops, and also that disease incidence was higher when inoculum was in the top 100 millimetres of soil.
Dr Jones said these research results indicate that if a grower believes a field is likely to be affected by white rot, it's better to plant later, and fungicide control should be targeted to the top 100 millimetres of soil. Researchers are now working on collating all data to attempt the development of separate onion white rot forecast models for Tasmanian onion growers in each of the 3 representative planting windows.
The forecast model will provide growers with management strategies to help them control onion white rot, but it won't necessarily eliminate the pathogen from their fields.
Well, we need that development and that research to go ahead and keep going ahead, because it's a real major problem in the industry, so we need to keep that funding going and to make the onions profitable. Otherwise, I think the industry will be in big trouble in years to come.